Hello and welcome to another issue of Model Restorations. Today we're looking at this, I believe it's a 1967, 69, and maybe older. It's an IMC GT1, Ford GT1. I don't know a lot about these kits. I know it's really old. I'm hoping I can put this sucker back together. I'm missing a lot of parts. I'm gonna have to try to find something to put in the headlights here for the gas cans, or gas caps. I believe those are the gas caps. They may not be. Here is I believe this is the gas tank. It actually says Ford right on it. It's kind of cool. Let's see. Not sure. It looks like I'm missing the back glass. I do have the front glass in it. Here's a little close-up of the motor. Actually, I don't think there was glass back here. Looks like the glass is back here, so I may be incorrect about that. The bottom's not too bad shape. I don't think this is so frail, and that I don't think I'm actually going to take this apart. I kind of think they did a decent job. I am going to try to find some decals for it. I love how these steer, which is pretty cool. But I think I'm just going to leave the white alone. I'm just going to clean it up, glue it back together, and hopefully find some parts, or at least something that fits. This came in a big box full of stuff, so I'm hoping there's some more parts in there that I can make it a little more complete. I do have both doors. One is missing the glass, the other one is there. So, and they just kind of fit on like this. And I don't know, looks like they do just open normally. I don't think they're gold wing doors. So anyway, this will be on a future issue. Video, not issue. I'm not writing a book here. Like I said, I want to try to get some more parts for it, possibly some decals, or at least use something that I've already got, and I'll just kind of take it from there. I do have an older, it's kind of I believe it's the 67 Ford Mustang that has some blue stripes on it that might go with this actually perfect. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon, and we'll get this thing done. Thank you.